Okay, so to compare the data, you have to first find the two things. One is the measure of center, which is your mean, and the other thing they wanted you to find is a measure of variability, which in this case was the range. So for Kamira, your mean was 3 and range was 4. Joey, your mean is 3 and your range is 13. So now you're going to come up with two sentences. That's really what they mean by compare data. Once you've found the data you need, now you're just going to compare it in two sentences. The first sentence is going to be about the measure of center, which in this case is the mean. So the typical number of shirts Joey sold was the same as the typical number of shirts Kamira sold. So that's all you need to say. You're going to use the word typical. Typical is the word that is associated with one of your three measures of center: mean, median, and mode. Next, we need a sentence about the measures of variability, which I have here color-coded in red. However, the number of shirts Joey sold varied more from day to day than the number of shirts Kamira sold. And varied, or varies, or some variation of that word, is going to be always associated with your measure of variability. So for every problem where they're asking you to compare data, you might have to do some other stuff, but the basic thing is to write two sentences. One, using the word typical to talk about your measure of center, and one using the word varied or varies to talk about your measure of variability.